You can easily measure your new windows yourself at home. All you need is a tape measure or a yardstick, and something to write on. To find the dimensions you need to order your window, you need the outer frame dimension of the window. The first thing you need is the hole measurement, which you measure from wall to wall or brick to brick. It's really important that you measure several places on the wall because it can be a little crooked. Especially in an old house like this one. I measure 3 places here, and then I note the narrowest point. The hole measurement here is 100 centimeters. So to find my outside frame measurement, I take that 100 and subtract 2.5 for the gap. And that gives me 97.5 centimeters. So this is the one measurement to order my window by. You need 2 to 3 centimeters for the joint, so you subtract that from your measurement. This is the same measurement for the height of the window, and here I also measure several places on the wall to make sure I take the narrowest place. Then I'm ready to find the height. And here I have a hole measurement of 100 centimeters. And then I take that 100 minus 2.5, which is 97.5 centimeters. Then I know that my window should be 97.5 times 97.5. And this is the outer frame measurement that you will use when ordering your window online. Have fun measuring.